this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your Interactive Brokers account to MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to interactivebrokers.com. From here you'll need to make sure that you have an account to log into. From here you'll need to go up to a new tab and go into MetaTrader 5 like so, and go into metatrader5.com like so here. From here you'll either need to download MetaTrader for Windows or Mac, or you'll need to go into the web terminal to get into the MetaTrader 5 dashboard. Once you're inside of MetaTrader 5, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to the right hand or the left hand corner and go up to File, and then go down to Open an Account. Now from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to where it says Add New Company, like company name, and Interactive Brokers. Once you get inside of the Interactive Brokers, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go down to Connect with an existing account, and from here you'll need to enter in your login details like username and password. From here you'll also need to change the server to the specific server that you want to trade on. So it could be either the demo account or paper account if you had chosen a simulated account, or the live account. It should be looking something like Interactive Brokers server. From here you'll just need to click Finish, and then you have successfully connected your Interactive Brokers to MetaTrader 5. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!